All right, so Chapter 2, Lesson 7 is discount. I would like for you to read through the warm-up. So we want to find sale price and the original price. Please make sure you write down these definitions. The discount or the markdown is the amount by which the regular price of an item is reduced. The sale price is the regular price minus the discount. All right, so example 1 says a DVD normally costs $22. This week it is on sale for 25% off the original price. We want to know what is the sale price of the DVD. So the what number is question that we're going to come up with here is what number is 25% of $22? So there is our what number is question. What number is 25% of $22? So once you know what your what number is question is, then you can continue with writing your percent equation. So here, this is the discount that we're solving for. So that's going to be D is equal to 0.25, that's 25%, times 22. And when we multiply, there is our discount, $5.50. Now, when you know you're getting a discount, you're getting an amount taken off the original price, so you're going to have to subtract from the original, okay? So that's how you get the $16.50. That's method 1. Now, method 2 is when you are going to subtract the percent of the discount from 100%. Here, if we're if we're getting 25% off, what percent are we actually paying? If it's 25% off, we're paying 75%. Does that make sense? So that's 100 minus the 25. That's how much we're actually going to be paying as a 75%. So now the what number is question, would be what number is 75% of 22. So now we have our what number is question. Now we can change that to our percent equation. So what number is, we're solving for the discount, right? So, or actually, we already got the discount. We're solving for the sale price. So here, S equals the 75%, 0.75, times the whole, which is 22. And you'll see when you multiply, you end up with the same thing. All right, so for the Scott example A, it says a shirt is regularly priced at $42. It is on sale for 15% off the regular price. What is the sale price of the shirt? Okay, so first we're going to use method 1. So for method 1, we're going to come up with our what number is question. So here we want to know what number is 15% of 42. So now we have our what number is question. Now we can go ahead and solve for our discount. So the discount is 15%. Don't forget to change the percent to a decimal. You move the decimal 2 places to the left and take away your percent sign. So that's going to be 0.15 times 42. So when we multiply 0.15 times 42, we end up with 6.3. So how much money is the discount? Very good. So the discount is $6.30. Okay? So now that's the discount. Now we need to subtract to get our sale price. So the sale price is going to be equal to the regular price minus the discount. Okay? So the sale price is going to be the $42 minus the $6.30. So when we subtract there, we end up with $35.70. And that, $35.70, is our sale price. All right, now we're going to do the same problem using method 2. Now with method 2, we're going to go ahead and subtract the 15% from the 100% of the regular price. Okay? 100%, that's the 100% of the $42. And we're going to subtract the 15%. That's the discount where we're taking off the regular price. So 100 minus 15 is 85%. So now we want to come up with our what number is question. So let's see. We want to know what number is 85% of $42 of the whole. Okay? So now that we have our what number is question, we can write our percent equation. So with method 2, we've already subtracted out the discount, right? We've already subtracted the discount. So we don't have to do that again. We're going straight to solving for the sale price. So here, the sale price is 85%. Remember, we're changing the percent to a decimal by moving the decimal 2 places to the left and taking away the percent sign. So we have 0.85 times 42. So our sale price, you'll see when you do your multiplication, you will get the same thing, right? So 0.85 times 42, $35.70. So we end up with the same thing, $35.70. All right, for example 2, it says a boogie board has the regular price of $69, is on sale at a 35% discount. What is the sale price with a 7% tax? Now, on this one, you have to do the discount first and then the tax, okay? So, all right. So step 1 is to find the amount of the discount. So here, the amount of the discount, the discount is 35% off, right? So our what number is question will be what number is 35% of the whole, which is $69. So what number is 35% of $69? So now you have your what number is question. Now you can change that to your percent equation. So we're finding the discount, so D equals 35%, 0.35 times 69. So that's going to give us $24.15, which is the discount. Once you find that discount, then you're going to subtract from the original amount. So $69 minus the discount gives me the $44.85. Is everybody clear? Now, this is the amount that you're going to add tax to. Okay? So now we want to apply the tax. So, the what number is question then, over here, will be what number is, and it's 7% tax, 7% of, now it's not the $69, it's the $44.85. $44.85. That is what we're putting tax on. Is everybody clear with that? So now you can write your percent equation. So that's going to be the 0.7 times $44.85, which gives us $3.14. That's the tax that has to get added to the discounted price. So here, the sale price will be $47.99. All right, so a CD that has a regular price of $15.50 is on sale at a discount a 25% discount. What is a sale price with a 6.5% tax? Now, would you like to do method 1 or method 2? So method 1, we're going to find the discount and then subtract it from the regular amount, right? So the what number is question that we can come up with here is what number is 25% of the $15.50. So now to find our discount. So the discount is equal to 0.25. Just don't forget, you want to move that decimal 2 places to the left and take away the percent sign. So 0.25 times $15.50. Okay? So 25% times $15.50 gives us how much?
$3.88.
88 cents. Very good, because we want to round to the nearest hundredth, right? So that's going to be $3.88 is your discount. So the discount is $3.88. So that amount, in order to find the price, the sale price, it's going to be, we're going to have to subtract the regular price minus the discount. So the sale price is going to be equal to the regular price minus the discount. So that's going to be the $15.50 minus the $3.88. So the sale price is $11.62. Very good. Now, am I finished with this problem? No. Now we have to figure out the tax. Very good. So we're going to figure out the tax on the $11.62. So the next part says what number is 6.5% of $11.62. Okay? So now we can figure out what our tax is. So tax is equal to, we're going to move the decimal 2 places to the left, take away the percent sign. So that's going to be 0.065 times $11.62. All right. So now we're going to multiply that 1162 times 0.065. And that's going to be, how much money is that?
76 cents.
76 cents. Very good. And this is how we write it, you guys. 0.76, and you do write your dollar sign there. Now that's the tax. Am I finished?
No.
No. The total price, so the total price is equal to the sale price plus the tax. So we're going to add $11.62 plus the tax, which is 76 cents. So when we do that, we end up with $12.38. And that's it. Example 3 says a cell phone is on sale for 30% off. If the sale price is $239.89, what is the original price? Okay, so here the sale price is $100% minus the 30%. That means that the original or the sale price is equal to 70% of the original price. So our what number is question would be what number is, no, actually, $239.89 is 70% of what number? So here's our what number is question. $239.89 is 70% of the original price. That's the what number. That's what we're trying to solve. So when we write our percent equation, we have $239.89 is 0.7, we're going to change the percent to a decimal, times the original price, which is what we don't know. So now, there's my equation. And how do I get the p by itself? We just divide by 0.7 on both sides. So that tells me that the original price is $342.70. All right, so it says find the original price if the sale price of the cell phone is $205.50. So here, you guys, we're just going to use the same, I think they want us to use the same 30% as in the example. So the sale is 30% off, okay? 30% off. So we want to find the original price. So the what number is question would be $205.50 is 30%, well, it's 30% off, right? So it would be 70% of what number? Is everybody clear with that? So this would be $205.50 is 70% of what number? And that of what number, that would be the original sale price or the original price. So now we can write our percent equation. So we have $205.50 is, so that's equals, the 70%, we need to change that to a decimal. Very good. So that's going to be 0.7 or 0.70 times what number? And we can just go ahead and put P for the original price. Okay? So now, how do I get the P by itself? Very good. We're going to divide by 0.7 on both sides. So when I do that, let me cancel out those 0.7s. Then P is going to be equal to 205.50 divided by 0.7. So how much money is that? And 57 cents. Very good. So we've got $293.57. And that is the original price of the cell phone. All right. Clothes R Us and Ratcliffe are having sales. At Clothes R Us, a pair of sneakers is on sale for 40% off the regular price of $50. At Ratcliffe, the same brand of sneakers is discounted by 30% off the regular price of $40. Which store has the better sale price? So, for this, what you're going to do is you're just going to find out what number is, let's see, what Clothes R Us, what number is, well, it's 40% off, so how much are you getting, are they paying for it? If it's 40% off, what percent are they paying? 60%, right? So what number is 60% of 50? That's going to be at Clothes R Us. For Ratcliffe, it's 30% off. So what percent are they actually paying? 70%. So what number is 70% of $40? So once you figure out your sale prices, then you can make your comparison. Is everybody clear? All right, so let's take a look at this. Got it. All right. If the if the sale at Clothes R Us was 50% off, which store would have a better buy, and explain? So we're still using this information up here. Still using that information up there. And it said if the clothes are 50% off. So if it's 50% off of $50 at Clothes R Us, right? Does everybody see how we got 50% of $50, right? And 50%, whoops, and so the sale was 50% off, so it's 50% of 50, which is half of 50, which is $25. So the question was, which one would have a better buy, Clothes R Us or Ratcliffe? Well, $25 is less than the $28 at Ratcliffe, right?
So it'd be Clothes R Us.
So Clothes R Us would have the better buy.
First